Okay, let's continue with the human brain. Last time we had discussed about the main part of the human brain, you know that, and we had
Yes.
completed the structure, the
Cerebrum.
function, the parts of the cerebrum, which is the largest
Yes.
part of the human brain, right?
Yes.
We had begun with the introduction to the nervous system in human beings, right? And I told you the broad overview that there is CNS, PNS, and ANS.
Yes.
Correct. And then from the CNS, there are two parts, that is the brain and the spinal cord. And within the brain, there are different parts broadly divided into three, that is the forebrain, the midbrain, and the hindbrain. All
Yes.
these points you remember properly?
Yes.
Okay.
Lobes.
So after understanding about the different parts of the cerebrum, let's continue with the next part. Okay. That is about the diencephalon. Okay. Yes, the second part of the forebrain, in fact. Okay, cerebrum and the diencephalon. That is a part of the forebrain, which includes three parts.
Wow.
Okay, that is the epithalamus, the thalamus, and the hypothalamus. Okay, forebrain में ही cerebrum भी है, and this is also there. Okay.
Forebrain में ही cerebrum है.
Cerebrum, the first part, na forebrain at the top.
Oh yes, correct. Yes.
Okay, there itself in the forebrain itself, below the cerebrum, you have the diencephalon.
Yes, correct.
Okay, and this is the part which is located above the midbrain. That means the part below this is the midbrain. Forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. ऊपर से नीचे.
Correct. Yes, I know. Yes.
So, uppermost part of the forebrain is cerebrum.
Cerebrum. Yes. Oh, diencephalon is नीचे. Yes, correct.
Below the cerebrum.
Below the cerebrum.
So you can see this part, something called thalamus, hypothalamus, right? And there is something called epithalamus above it. So ये जो ऊपर का pink वाला portion दिख रहा है, that's the cerebrum. You have seen that.
Yes, correct.
Correct. Yes. So you can see thalamus and epithalamus just inside that.
Correct. Yes, I can see.
This is the part we are talking about. Okay. Wow. And there was this one term called corpus callosum we mentioned last time.
Oh yes, I remember. Corpus.
Between the two cerebral hemispheres, there is a whitish colored band of fibers. Yeah, then that is the corpus callosum. So it is below the corpus callosum that the diencephalon is located.
Oh,
so if there is a question asking you about the address of diencephalon, what you are going to tell? It is the part of the forebrain located below the cerebrum, below the corpus callosum, above the midbrain.
About the midbrain. Okay.
Okay, that way.
Yes.
Now, in the cerebrum and in the entire brain, in fact, as I had mentioned earlier also, that there are small cavities, hollow cavities present, which contain the fluid inside the brain throughout. Okay. उन cavities को बोलते हैं ventricles.
Ventricles.
Those cavities are called as the ventricles. So in the cerebrum, there are two ventricles present. One on each side, internally.
Yes.
Okay. Those two ventricles of the cerebrum are called as lateral ventricles. Can you see that here in the diagram?
Yes.
Lateral ventricles. Okay, it's like two hollow cavities inside the cerebrum. They contain that fluid called the CSF. You know that.
CSF.
Cerebrospinal fluid. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now.
Yes.
Two lateral ventricles of the cerebrum joins to form a third common one. I'll show you this way. If there are two lateral ventricles of the cerebrum.
Two lateral ventricles
of the cerebrum. Okay. So they appear like this. I'll show you once a minute. See this. If these two are the lateral ventricles of the cerebrum, okay, they join together to form a third ventricle. Like this.
Oh,
so this third ventricle is in the diencephalon. The first two are the lateral ventricles present in the cerebrum.
Correct.
Got it?
Sir,
Okay.
wait. Oh yes, I got
This
it.
is in the cerebrum. Two lateral
Yes.
ventricles,
Got it.
also known as the paracele.
Para.
Paracele. COEL. Okay. The
Okay,
two
got it.
lateral ventricles are known by the words paracele.
Seal. S.
COEL. Seal.
Cool.
Got
Got
it? Okay.
Yes.
And the third ventricle, which is in the diencephalon, this is known as the diocele.
Diocele.
Got it?
Yes. Got it.
Okay, so two paraceles become one common diocele.
Got it.
Okay, and the junction
Yes.
between the two, where they join,
Hmm.
that junction is a small narrow opening, which is known as the foramen of Monro. Pronounce it.
Wait. Foramen of
Monro.
Monroe.
ठीक है?
ये कहाँ पे
What is
लोकेट
that?
होता है?
Between the two paraceles and the diocele.
Between the two paraceles and the diocele.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
There is a common narrow opening, which is called the foramen of Monro. Remember the name and the location. Is it
Okay.
clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay. This word is important. Now, because we are talking about the ventricles here, let me tell you that this diocele is in the diencephalon, the third ventricle.
Yes.
Okay. See, paracele concept, ventricle number 1. This is ventricle number 2. Okay. This is ventricle number 3.
Yes, correct.
Similarly, there is a fourth ventricle,
Oh
which
no.
we are going to see later. But the fourth ventricle is below in the medulla oblongata, which continues. like
Middle
this.
oblongata.
Yes.
Yeah.
We are going to see that. But just remember that location. Fourth ventricle is known as the metacele.
Metacele.
Got it?
Hmm.
So ventricle number 1 and 2, paraceles.
Paracele.
Ventricle number 3,
Ventricle number 3,
diocele.
diocele.
Number 4,
Ventricle number
metacele.
4. Okay,
Metacele.
got it.
याद है?
Yes,
समझा अच्छी
sir.
तरह से? ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay. So after this, let's go to the next one. Foramen of Monro तक समझ में आ गया. Now,
Monroe.
epithalamus, thalamus, and the hypothalamus. These three parts of the diencephalon. Okay. तो उसमें जो
Yes.
epithalamus है, ऐसे याद रखना है कि epithalamus, thalamus, and the diencephalon. You can say it if diencephalon is like a room. Epithalamus is the ceiling, thalamus is the walls, and hypothalamus is the floor. ऐसे
Okay.
समझ. Okay, as a part of the brain you can imagine. ठीक है?
Sir, can you repeat?
Epithalamus, sorry, the diencephalon is like a room. तो रूम में एक सीलिंग है, दीवारें हैं और नीचे फ्लोरिंग है.
Okay.
Epithalamus, thalamus, hypothalamus. That
Okay,
way
got
you
it.
can imagine. Okay. So सबसे पहले epithalamus of the diencephalon. What is that? It is a thin non-nervous roof of the diencephalon.
Roof.
Okay,
Yes.
non-nervous मतलब वहाँ पे
Yes.
nervous tissue नहीं है. It's a part of the brain, but this epithalamus does not have a nervous tissue over there.
Okay, got it.
Okay. And this epithalamus is fused with one of the meninges of the brain, that is pia mater. You remember three meninges we have discussed?
Yes.
Dura mater, arachnoid membrane, pia mater.
Paramatter. Yes.
Okay. So pia mater के साथ ये epithalamus जुड़ा हुआ है, and it forms something called anterior choroid plexus.
Plexus. Anterior.
ये दोनों के fusion से what is formed is known as anterior choroid plexus, an aggregation of membranes. ठीक है?
Yes.
This one, anterior choroid plexus, contains the ependymal cells which produce the CSF. You remember that?
Oh yes, I remember. Oh yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And इसका जो dorsal wall है, पीछे वाला wall है,
पीछे.
that is connected to a very important part in the brain called as the pineal gland.
What gland?
Pineal gland. See in the diagram. See in the diagram. यहाँ पे देखना, ये है pineal gland, this one.
Pineal gland.
There is a
Oh,
small
yes.
gland. Can you see that?
What is pineal gland?
I'll come to that. But पहले location समझा.
Yes.
It is hanging slightly from the roof of the epithalamus.
Mm-hmm.
So there is a pineal gland attached to this epithalamus by a small stalk, which is called as the
Correct.
pineal stalk.
Pineal stalk. Okay.
Got it? It's a gland.
Pineal
We are
gland,
going to
pineal
learn about
stalk.
glands in this lesson. But remember, gland matlab it is one of the exocrine glands that produces hormones. Endocrine, sorry, not exocrine. It is one of the. It has got a stalk and it produces hormones.
Correct.
Okay?
Got it.
अब ये hormones
Yes.
produce कर रहे हैं, तो we are going to learn about that in detail in the other part of the lesson. But for now, remember that this gland at some point of time was considered to be a third eye of the human being. Okay, see externally ये gland forehead के एकदम अंदर बराबर उस location पे आएगा. So like a third eye. Obviously, we don't have a third eye as such. Earlier, it was also considered to be vestigial. Okay, that means it does not have any function ऐसा माना जाता था. Later on, it was studied and found that this produces a hormone which is called as melatonin. Okay, pineal gland produces a hormone called melatonin. It is nothing but a sleep-inducing hormone.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
This is the hormone to some extent responsible for putting us to sleep.
Wow.
That is melatonin. Okay.
Okay.
And it was also later observed that this also has got relation to reproductive behavior.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
Okay. Different types of sexual tendencies we can say. That is also associated with hormone melatonin.
Okay, got it.
Okay. And inside other than melatonin, इसके साथ एक और hormone ये produce करते हैं, that is called as the serotonin. serotonin. Yes, serotonin. Serotonin को हम लोग बोलते हैं feel good hormone.
Feel good hormone.
Yes, it's like whenever you do any activity which you really like to do, which you really enjoy. Okay, that time you feel very happy. For example, if you like cooking, and if you're actually doing cooking, okay, something productive, any activity means some productive activity. Don't say I like sleeping at home. Okay, so whenever you are doing any activity which you like to do, so that time your body is totally involved in that because you love that thing.
Yes.
ऐसे टाइम पे वो hormone ज़्यादा produce होता है, serotonin.
Oh,
and that ultimately indirectly controls your BMR, basal metabolic rate. BMR, basal metabolic rate.
Okay.
Basal metabolic rate means your ultimate metabolism and physiology becomes very efficient.
Wow, sir.
That's the reason it is said that if you do something which you really like to do, your physical health will also be good.
Oh.
And at the same time, in the reverse way, if you do actually what you really like to do, you will be healthy. And mental health always goes hand in hand with physical health.
Physical health. Yes, I know that.
That's why you should have some good hobbies or passions. Okay, something productive. It can be anything. It will differ from one person to another. But that has got a relation with this physical health also. Because this hormone is produced, your metabolism becomes good. Okay, all that.
Yes.
Understood this?
Okay, fine.
Pineal gland को समझा, इसका detail हम लोग बाद में देखेंगे, ठीक है? So that was about epithalamus. Now coming to the thalamus. Okay. Now there are two thalamus, तो हम लोग बोलते हैं thalami. Okay. This thalami mainly contain gray matter. And you remember we have discussed about gray matter earlier.
Yes.
Okay. So it's like if this is a room and there are two walls, we call them as two thalami.
Correct.
दोनों walls को connect करने के लिए there is something called as habencular commissure. Remember the word.
Okay, got it.
Two thalami are connected by habencular commissure.
Okay.
ठीक है? and
I'm
all the, because this part which we are discussing now is almost in the central part of the brain
okay.
and the
Got it.
geometric center, so it is connected. All the parts of the brain also must be interconnected. It's not that they are working independently, है ना, कि हाइपोथैलेमस में क्या चल रहा है सेरिब्रम को नहीं पता, ऐसा नहीं होता है. There is always a proper interconnection. So there is something called as RAS, reticular activating system.
Reticular activity system. Reticular.
Yes. Okay. It is also known as the relay center.
Relay.
Center. Yeah. It's like in any other part of the body. If you receive any sensory stimulus, any sensory stimulus, so वो ultimately brain तक जाएगा.
Yes.
So it will always pass through this relay center.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Okay.
RAS.
It's like, for example, you receive electricity at your home.
Yes, I do.
तो अपने घर पे एक main switch होता है.
हाँ.
And all the flats in your building will have their own main switch.
Yes.
So that's a kind of a relay center. वहां से distribute होके it goes to every room, every plug.
Nice. Correct.
तो उसी तरह का connection अपने शरीर में. You can call that as a relay center. So except one, that is the sense of olfaction, all the other senses are passing via the relay center. Olfaction का because वो already अपना olfactory lobes है separately.
Yes.
Okay? That's why it is called as the gatekeeper of the cerebrum.
Gatekeeper of the skills. Okay, got it.
Got it? कि यहाँ से पास होकर ही cerebrum में जाएगा.
Okay, got it.
ठीक है? Okay.
Yes.
Then foramen of Monro we have already seen. That was a third ventricle. Third ventricle diocele connected to the two paraseals.
Yes,
and
correct.
वो ऊपर की तरफ. नीचे है fourth ventricle या metacele that we say.
Fourth ventricle, metacele. Yes.
तो जैसे ऊपर foramen of Monro था between two paraseals and the diocele, same way diocele और metacele के बीच में जो connection है, that narrow duct is called as the duct of Sylvius, also called as the iter.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Duct of Sylvius or
yes, iter. Iter. Okay. So between two paraseals and the diocele, there is foramen of Monro. Between diocele and the metacele, there is aqueduct of Sylvius.
Correct.
समझा?
Metacele is below
fourth ventricle, below the diencephalon. That's the fourth ventricle.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So we have seen epithalamus, we have seen thalamus. Now the next is hypothalamus. Yes, please.
Duct of Sylvius कहाँ पे आता है?
हाँ?
Duct of Sylvius कहाँ पे आता है?
See, I'll show you once again.
I got confused.
Yeah, I'll show you once. See, ये दो parasele.
Parasele, yes.
Lateral ventricles, number 1 and number 2.
And then
These
they will
two
join.
are connected to a common third one called diocele. So इनके बीच में there is a small narrow duct. We called it as foramen of Monro.
Monro, yes.
ठीक है?
I know.
Between the third one, ये diocele है. Okay. Between the diocele and below that there is the metacele, the fourth ventricle. इनके बीच में there is a narrow duct where it is the duct of Sylvius.
Okay, got it.
Now is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this you have to remember. ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay. So next coming to the hypothalamus. As I said, it is the
Hypothalamus.
floor of the diencephalon, नीचे.
Floor, yes.
This is the posterior most part of the forebrain. Hypothalamus.
Got it.
Okay. It has got a good network of blood vessels because ये जो hypothalamus है, this is actually the connection between nervous system and the endocrine system. इसी लेसन में आगे हम देखेंगे hormonal system, endocrine system. तो nervous system, endocrine system के बीच का connection है.
Okay.
In this hypothalamus, okay, अभी के लिए इतना समझ ले कि hypothalamus is that part of the nervous system which controls the most important endocrine gland of the body, that is pituitary gland. And pituitary gland in turn will control all the other endocrine glands of the body.
Yeah.
Imagine the sequence.
Oh yes.
So the control
Yes.
and coordination एक common heading है. ठीक है? So
Yeah.
this hypothalamus has got rich supply of blood vessels, which is called
Yes.
hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal vein.
Wow.
Okay?
So what
ये
is
नाम
that?
याद रखना है. It's just a name of the veins, the blood vessels, which are
It is
present
the
in the
name of the
hypothalamus.
vein.
ठीक है? Pituitary gland से connected है. तो ये क्या करता है hypothalamus? It maintains homeostasis. That means maintains the internal environment of the body, temperature,
Yes.
fluid, everything. Okay, internal
Yes.
equilibrium of the body. Everything should be in balanced because external
Yeah.
environment के हिसाब से things can keep changing, right? It
Yeah.
also controls
Yeah.
involuntary behavior.
Involuntary behavior.
Yes,
Okay.
secretion from the
Yes.
stomach.
So law control में
Okay.
नहीं है.
Yeah, all such kinds of involuntary behavior is controlled.
Correct.
Okay, then we'll
Yeah.
come to this hypothalamus again in the endocrine system when we learn. अभी के लिए इतना समझ लें कि this is the one. ये देखो, it is the link between nervous and the endocrine system.
Endocrine system. Yes, I got that. Yes.
Okay, and it is able to regulate other important functions like heart rate, respiration, blood pressure, body temperature, electrolyte
Oh.
balance. Okay,
Oh, no,
and
oh,
very
no.
importantly, as a part of the nervous system, इसके अंदर hypothalamus में it has got these centers: hunger, thirst, sleep, fatigue, satiety, secretion of
Fatigue.
glands. Yes.
I'm
Okay.
feeling fatigue.
Imagine a situation.
Okay.
Again, I'll keep you hungry for 3 to 4 days. Okay, nothing to eat.
So why do you do that? Okay, fine, got it.
Fine. You are my most
I'm
favorite
hungry.
victim, I can say. So suppose 3 to 4 days, you are not getting any food. Okay.
Okay.
So after 4 days, there is a feast in front of you. Ekdam chappan bhog.
Okay.
So obviously, you
fine.
will attack the food like anything.
Yes,
Right?
of course.
You will start
Yes.
eating, gobbling like anything. Okay.
Yes.
But though you were hungry for 4 days and you were badly needing food, you are eating food,
Yes.
but still there will be a limit. You cannot
yes.
have 4 days quantity of food at a stretch.
Yes.
At one point of time, you will feel full. कि बस पेट भर गया. After that, even if your most favorite food is in front of you, you won't feel like eating it. Even in a normal situation, it happens.
Yes.
Correct. तो हमें वो कैसे पता चलता है कि खाना खा लिया, पेट भर गया, इससे ज्यादा हम नहीं खा सकते? Because there is the hunger center in your hypothalamus.
Correct. Yeah.
Same way it goes for thirst. You might be very thirsty. You are having very nice chilled water to drink. You will feel really good. But at one point of time, you will stop drinking. Because
Okay, got it.
hypothalamus indication देता है बस प्यास बुझ गया अब शांत रहो. Same way for sleep. You might be a very kumbhakarni person. Okay, nobody is waking you for say 12 hours or something, but automatically at one point of time you will wake up on your own.
Yes.
So hypothalamus. So in other animals, you know, hibernation.
Yes.
Birds and mammals, they do it, right? So वो लोग क्या करते हैं, पूरा winter season सो के निकलते हैं.
Winter season पूरा सोता है. Yes,
So
correct.
that time it is observed that this sleep center in the hypothalamus is deactivated, so that they are able to sleep for about 4 months. We humans cannot do that.
Yes, correct.
You can
can't do
sleep
that.
at a stretch for say 12 hours maximum. उसके आगे
Yes.
तो उठना ही है, सो के थक जाओगे. Getting it? But these mammals who do hibernation and all, उनका sleep center deactivate हो जाता है. That's why it is
Okay, got it.
satiety का मतलब है you feel satisfied and full when your hunger is you can say कि पेट भर गया, उसको satiety बोलते हैं.
Okay.
So
Good.
all these are controlled in the
Yes.
hypothalamus. And hypothalamus
Yes,
also
got
has got the center responsible for keeping the sexual urge under control. जैसे sleep, hunger, thirst वगैरह, वैसे वो भी इधर ही है hypothalamus में.
Okay, got it.
Then different types of neurohormones are produced. We'll come to that in the endocrine system.
Neurohormone.
Yes, and this is the one that controls the pituitary gland. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
The brain.
So yes, so there is something hypothalamus में important word है neuronal circuit. Nerves का पूरा एक circuit जैसा, जिसको बोलते हैं limbic
Okay.
system. That's a complex neuronal circuit. तो ये पूरा बना हुआ है hypothalamus,
Yes.
something called amygdala, parts of the epithalamus, the thalamus, the hippocampus,
Sir,
and other such areas. All these are different parts of the brain. Yes, please.
Okay. All these are different parts of the brain.
ये सब interconnected है in the form of a neural circuit. उसको बोलते हैं limbic system.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Okay, got it.
ये सब क्या
Yes.
करते हैं? They are responsible for emotional reactions, motivational drives, memory.
Yes.
Sometimes it happens कि like you feel very discouraged. Sometimes you are very enthusiastic. ये सब चलता रहता है ना? You cannot have the same mentality continuously. Things will change.
Yes.
Correct? That is
Yes,
controlled
yes,
by
yes.
these neuronal circuit.
Okay, got it.
Now from
Got it,
the
got it.
hypothalamus below the hypothalamus, there will be a downward projection which is called hypophyseal stalk.
Hypophyseal
Below
stalk.
the hypothalamus. It is this hypophyseal stalk is also called the infundibulum.
Fundibulum.
So
Okay.
hypothalamus से नीचे एक stalk निकलता है called infundibulum, which connects it
Okay.
to the hypophysis, which is the other name of the pituitary gland.
Okay, got it.
इसलिए
Okay,
हमने
got
बोला
it.
था कि this is the connection between nervous system and endocrine system.
Okay.
Got it?
Hmm.
Okay. And then there is very
Yes.
important function point over here कि hypothalamus वाले region में there is a very
हाँ.
important structure called optic chiasma.
Chiasma.
Yes.
Yes.
Optic chiasma. If you remember cell division meiosis.
हाँ.
One.
Cell division में था वो.
Pachytene.
Yes, yes, yes.
Chiasmata. याद है? Crossing over ऐसा.
Yes, I remember.
है ना?
हाँ, crossing over.
Chromosomes का
Yes.
crossing over होते हैं. यहाँ पर भी
Chiasmata,
किसी
yes.
kind of a crossing over, obviously not between chromosomes. यहाँ पे दोनों आंखों के जो nerves, optic nerves, इनका crossing
Yes.
over in that region.
Nerves का crossing over.
Yes. And why it is called optic
Okay.
chiasma? Because two optic nerves are crossing. कि right आंख का nerves
Okay.
left की तरफ जा रहे हैं, left आंख के nerves right की तरफ जा रहे हैं. That's a kind of a crossing.
Okay, got it. Yes.
Getting it? And that's why it is said,
Yes.
overall, it is said that the right part of the brain, cerebrum, controls the left part of the body and vice versa.
Oh,
Because of
so
this
that.
optic chiasma. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Then there is also something called mammillary bodies.
Mammillary body.
Yes, that is also a part of this hypothalamus region.
Okay.
This
Got
is
it.
something uniquely found only in the brain of mammals, not any other animal.
Mammillary bodies.
इसलिए mammillary bodies बोलते हैं. Mammalian brain में ही देखा गया. Okay, and इसका function है recollective memory. That means what? There are some things which you forget, but you have the capacity to recollect it.
That is me. Yes.
Any human being, any normal human being.
Yes.
Got it? Okay.
Yes.
Human beings have that capacity. You can forget some
Yes.
things, but at the same time, you can recollect those things. जैसे exam में answer लिखते ही, question पढ़ते ही blank हो गई, भूल गई. But if you give a thought, you might recollect the answer.
Yes, correct.
So whenever this happens, what you are going to revise? Mammillary bodies present near the hypothalamus of the diencephalon in the forebrain.
Oh no. Okay, got it.
This you should recollect.
Oh, okay, got it, got it.
Got it now? All
Yes.
these words are clear.
Clear, clear.
ठीक है?
Crystal clear.
Okay.
Yes.
तो ये देखना, ये दो lateral ventricles कितना अच्छा represent किया देखो. Lateral ventricles
Oh
connect
yeah,
हो रहे हैं
ये ventricle
foramen
है.
of Monro. Yes. This is the third
Lateral
ventricle of
ventricle.
Dansville. ये fourth
Oh, yes.
ventricle. इन दोनों के बीच में
Oh.
duct of Sylvius. That is shown over here.
Yes. Yes.
Got it? Ventricles
got
of the
it,
brain
got
are
it.
clear. Okay. Diencephalon is clear properly.
clear
Now we
properly.
have to. Now that finishes with the forebrain.
Forebrain.
ठीक है. Forebrain में हमने optic
Forebrain हो गया.
lobes, cerebrum
Hmm.
and diencephalon. ये तीन हमने देखा.
Yes.
Now we are
Yes.
going one step below. Okay, one after the other, and that is the midbrain.
Midbrain.
Mesencephalon हमने बोला था. ठीक है.
Yes.
So
Yes.
the ventricle part is now clear. Now let's don't touch upon that again and again.
Mm-hmm.
है ना? Because वही रहने वाला है. So if you recollect that flow chart, different parts of the brain, उसका flow chart जो हमने दिया था, this word was there called corpora quadrigemina. याद है?
Oh yes, Jamina. Yes,
Hmm.
I remember Jamina.
है ना?
Yes.
So they are also
Yes.
called as superior and inferior colliculi.
Follicular is
I'll come to that. That is the corpora quadrigemina. So there are
okay.
two superior colliculi and two inferior colliculi, which
Okay,
together
got
forms
it.
the corpora quadrigemina. That's a part of the
Oh, okay.
midbrain. तो ये दोनों क्या करते हैं पता है?
Two.
Listen,
Corpora
two
quadrigemina.
superior
Yes.
colliculi, they are involved in
हाँ.
visual reflexes. ये उनका function.
Okay.
And inferior colliculi are involved in auditory reflexes. इसका
Okay,
मतलब
got
क्या
it.
है? To understand it simply, imagine you are in a cricket stadium in the audience watching a cricket match.
Okay.
ठीक है? Yeah,
Hmm.
imagine you are sitting at home and watching
Yes,
a cricket match in TV.
superior quality.
Yeah, you are sitting
Yes.
at home and watching a cricket match in the TV also. ठीक है?
Mm-hmm.
तो suppose जैसे मैच देख रही है, अच्छा मैच चल रहा है, बैट्समैन
Yes.
ओके एक बहुत जोरदार शॉट मारा. So as soon as the batsman hits the shot, your eyes will automatically trace the ball.
Yes, correct.
जैसे मैंने बैट को शॉट मारते हुए देखा, मेरा आंख अपने आप बॉल का पीछा करे कि कहाँ जा रहा है बॉल.
Yes.
ओके
हाँ.
जैसे बहुत हाइट में गया, दूर शॉट मारा, तो इट माइट गो एंड मेक अ सिक्सर. So your eyes are automatically tracing that.
Yes. Visual
बैट्समैन ने इस तरफ मारा तो आंखें इस तरफ नहीं देखेंगे कि बॉल किधर गया करके.
नहीं.
That
Yes.
is visual reflex.
Okay, got it. Yes.
This kind of a
ये
situation
भी
is
समझा
called
मेरे को.
visual reflex. That is
Yes.
taken care of by superior colliculi.
Okay, got it.
Similarly, inferior colliculi, auditory reflex. Imagine
Hmm.
at home, ठीक है? कभी ऐसा हो गया कि you kept your mobile phone somewhere and you don't know where it is. You are not able to find it. कभी हो जाता है ऐसा कि बेड पे तकिए के नीचे रख दिया,
Yes.
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, ठीक है?
हाँ.
And you are searching for it. So normally what we do, किसी और के मोबाइल से अपने नंबर पे कॉल लगा.
Yes, correct.
So you are able
Yes.
to hear your mobile ringing, but you cannot
Yes.
see. So that time, how do you, with the help of that ring, how do you locate where is the mobile phone?
Auditory reflex.
कि
That
बेड के
comes
ऊपर
from
तकिए के नीचे से आवाज आ रहा है. So your ears are able to trace the location of the sound.
Yes.
Getting it? तो पता चल जाते हैं.
Get it.
That is called
Yes.
auditory reflex.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
इस तरह का जो situations होता है लाइफ में, it's like a reflex action. Like you don't have to think much. You automatically understand it. That is taken care of by inferior colliculi.
Follicular.
Got it now?
And both of them together are
Corpora quadrigemina.
quadrigemina. Yes,
That's a
got
part
it.
of the midbrain.
Okay, got it.
Got it now? ठीक है? That's
Yes.
the first part of the midbrain. Second part of the midbrain has got two thick fibrous tracts, which is called as the cerebral peduncles, also called the crura cerebri.
What?
Fibrous tracts. Tracts मतलब like bunch or bundle of fibers. Okay, उनको बोलते हैं cerebral peduncles or the crura cerebri, which is
Pleura
below,
cerebri.
the corpora quadrigemina.
Okay.
So they have,
Below quadrigemina.
yes,
Yes.
they have nerve
Got it.
fibers of two types: ascending nerve fibers and descending nerve fibers.
Descending curve. Yes.
दो ऐसे हैं.
Okay.
Got it? Ascending, descending is based on the direction of the impulses passing through these nerves. ascending
Okay.
मतलब going towards the brain, descending means
Hmm.
coming from the brain.
Yes,
So
correct.
this also works like RAS.
Towards.
तो cerebrum को mid brain से connect करते हैं.
RAS. Yes.
Reticular
RAS.
activating system जो अभी हमने देखा.
I know.
So
Yes.
this is the one that connects the cerebrum to the midbrain.
Hmm.
ठीक है?
Okay, got it.
And
Yes.
midbrain के center में there is a mass of a gray matter scattered within the white matter. You know gray matter and white matter now.
Oh yes, I know. White
Okay.
matter भी है.
So gray
Yes.
matter का mass scattered within the white matter is called as the red nucleus.
Oh.
That is also part of the midbrain. तो ये क्या करता है
Okay.
रेड न्यूक्लियस? कंट्रोल्स पोस्चर. जैसे क्लासरूम में स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे बैठेंगे, धीरे धीरे एकदम बेंच के ऊपर सिर रख देंगे, बहुत ज्यादा हो गया तो नीचे गिर जाएंगे. ओके, तो पोस्चर इज इंपॉर्टेंट. You must sit straight, yes, so that your backbone is good.
Yes.
It's
Okay, got
taken
it.
care of by the red nucleus. तो कभी ऐसा हो गया
Red
कि you are
nucleus.
not sitting in a good posture and you are balancing yourself properly. So what you are going to revise? The red nucleus, which is a mass of the gray matter scattered within the white matter, present in the midbrain of the CNS.
Okay. Wow.
ऐसे बोलते
Okay,
हैं सीधा
wow.
बैठना. And also controls muscle tone. Muscle
Muscle
tone
tone.
मतलब the general strength of the muscles. Okay, it should be ready to do any work at any given time. And then there are
Okay.
other minor functions like modifying some motor activities, motor coordination. ये सब भी this red
Motor.
nucleus does it.
Okay, got it.
Got it now?
Yes.
Midbrain में इतना ही है बस.
Okay.
ठीक है? So we have seen
Easy.
3 things in the midbrain. Corpora quadrigemina, consisting of superior and inferior colliculi. Second
Yes.
one was cerebral peduncles, also called crura cerebri.
Cerebri.
Repeat.
Continue.
बोल.
Crura cerebri.
Correct. Okay, also called cerebral peduncles. Yes. And the third one we saw was the red nucleus.
Red nucleus. Yes.
अच्छी तरह समझा midbrain?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No doubt.
Very good. Now coming to the last part of the brain. Hindi nahi re, hind brain.
Oh, sorry.
It is called as the hind brain, which is the posterior most region. Okay.
Okay.
तो इसमें क्या है? The last part of the brain.
Okay.
Brain का सबसे नीचा वाला हिस्सा. ठीक है? तो इसमें there are 3 parts present. You have pons varoli, cerebellum. Pons varoli, ऐसा नाम है उसका.
Okay.
Cerebellum.
Yes.
And medulla oblongata.
Medulla oblongata.
Yes. These 3 parts of
Cerebellum.
the hind brain. ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is this pons varoli? This is Pons नहीं, वो cosmetic powder की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. See the spelling, PONS.
Pons.
ठीक है? I'm not talking about that talcum powder which is available.
Okay.
Right?
Pons.
Pons varoli. What is this now? It is, there is something called as a brain stem. Brain stem मतलब डंडी जिसके ऊपर पूरा ब्रेन बैठा हुआ है. ओके, तो ब्रेन स्टेम के नीचे वाले हिस्से में देयर इज अ राउंडेड बल्ज. ओके
सर आप मुझे ड्रॉ करके दिखाओ.
ये सीधा डायग्राम यहाँ पे दिख रहा है क्लियरली. ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ द ब्रेन यू कैन सी. ये देखो, ये क्या पार्ट दिख रहा है? ब्रेन स्टेम.
हाँ.
Okay.
Brain stem. Where is brain stem?
See this.
Oh, I can see it.
Brain तो ये पूरा बाकी का ब्रेन हमने देख लिया. अब ये नीचे वाला हिस्सा towards the back side neck region, ये उस पोर्शन की बात कर रहे हैं.
इधर. Yes, correct.
So you have cerebellum at the back over here,
Oh no.
and ये पूरा brain stem है consisting of pons varoli and medulla oblongata. ये दोनों दिखने हैं.
Got it.
Now you understood the location.
Yes, understood the location.
ठीक है, ये दोनों और cerebellum, ये तीनों मिलाकर brain अपना
Yes.
hind brain.
Yes.
Okay, so we are talking about the pons varoli first. Okay, so pons
Yes.
varoli क्या है? It contains a cross band of nerve fibers.
What is
ऐसा
that?
junction है वो. Okay, it is like a
Okay.
junction which connects the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and medulla oblongata and spinal cord, all of them.
Oh, which is
Pons
called
varoli. Pons varoli.
nerve fiber.
Yeah. The
Oh,
pons
pons.
varoli consists of these cross band of nerve fibers, जो इन सबको
Okay.
connect करते हैं.
Got it.
Got it? That's why it is also like a relay center. कि ब्रेन के अंदर
Okay.
जो भी स्टिमुलस वगैरह पहुंचना होता है वो यहाँ से पास होके जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे काइंड ऑफ अ डिसीजन
Okay,
भी होगा
got it.
कि सेरिब्रम तक जाना है या सेरिबेलम को पहुंचाना है या स्पाइनल कॉर्ड पे रह जाना है. दैट इज डिसाइड.
Pons varoli. Yes, correct.
गॉट इट नाउ. तो पॉन्स वेरेला इज
Got
ओनली
it.
दैट मच. उतना ही याद रख. ठीक है.
Okay, got it.
नेक्स्ट कमिंग टू द
Yes.
सेरिबेलम.
Bellum.
The largest part was cerebrum. This is the cerebellum. So brain
Bellum.
का 85%, the largest part was the cerebrum that you said.
Oh yes, 85% था. Yes.
हाँ, cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
This makes up around 11% of the brain.
Oh,
So
okay, got it.
85% is cerebrum, 11% is this one. हो गया
11% is
96.
this. Okay.
96 हो गया. बाकी 4% में बाकी सारे पार्ट्स होते हैं ब्रेन के. So that's
Okay,
why the
got it.
cerebellum is the another important part. तो
Okay,
जैसे
got it.
सेरिब्रम के दो हेमिस्फीयर थे, लेफ्ट एंड राइट, उसी तरह सेरिबेलम के भी दो हेमिस्फीयर्स हैं, लेफ्ट एंड राइट. We call them as cerebellar hemispheres.
Cerebellar. Okay, got
Okay.
it.
And there is a central vermis which connects the two hemispheres of the
What is
cerebellum.
vermis?
Just a band of fibers we can say. जैसे वहाँ corpus
Okay.
callosum था, यहाँ central vermis.
Yes.
Got it?
This connects
The two cerebellar hemispheres.
cerebellar. Okay, got it.
Got it now? ठीक है?
Yes.
Now, in the beginning when we talked about the cerebrum, what was the color of the cerebrum I mentioned? Like which matter outside, which matter inside?
Gray matter, white matter.
So gray matter was outside.
Oh yes, gray
White
matter.
matter.
Outside, inside.
Yes.
Gray matter was outside, white matter was inside.
Yes.
I
Now
know.
in this hind brain, in the surface of the cerebellum, there will be a transition.
Transition
White
of
matter
what?
will start coming outside, gray matter will start going inside. That's
Uh-huh.
why on the surface of the cerebellum, you will see an intermixing of the two.
Oh no.
That intermixing makes a tree-like branching pattern, जिसको बोलते हैं arbor vitae.
Oh no. Okay,
Got
got
it
it.
now? Okay.
Yes.
यहाँ तक gray matter बाहर था, white matter अंदर.
सिस्टम चेंज कर देगा वो तो.
Yes.
Yes.
तो यहाँ पे उल्टा होना start होता है. On the
Oh, no.
cerebellum.
Okay.
ठीक है? That's why there is a tree-like branching pattern seen, which is called as arbor vitae. Understood this?
Arbor vitae.
Yep.
Got it.
ठीक है?
Big name.
Now,
Yes.
we had mentioned these words called gyri and sulci, if you remember.
Oh, gyri and sulci.
Cerebrum
Yes.
पे था. The same kind of
yes.
gyri and sulci you will find even on the surface of the cerebellum.
Cerebellum. Okay.
Okay, and there are a lot of nuclei, जैसे red nucleus, basal nucleus हमने देखा ना? That kind of nuclei are present even in the lateral surface of the cerebellar hemisphere. So in the cerebellum, उसके cortex में there are around 30 million neurons present.
What?
cerebellum के cortex में there are 30
11%
million,
of
yes, and cerebrum के
correct.
surface पे बोलते हैं कि 100 million neurons है.
Of course, yes.
Getting
Yes.
it? Okay.
Yes.
Then there is something called cerebellar peduncles.
Oh, sorry.
Cerebellar,
So sorry.
sorry नहीं, seri. तमिल में तेलुगु में सेरी बोलते हैं ना, ओके
Cerebellar
बोलने के लिए.
peduncles. Peduncles. Yes.
ओके, ये क्या है? They
वो
are
तो उसमें
nothing
भी था,
but
cerebrum में भी था.
वो cerebral peduncles.
Cerebral peduncle. Yes.
ये
Correct.
cerebellar peduncles.
So tell me the difference between
Cerebral मतलब connected to the cerebrum.
correct.
Cerebellar means connected to the cerebellum.
Cerebellum. Okay, got it.
Now is it clear? I can understand. Similar
Yes.
sounding है तो confusion होगा, but now you are clear.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Yes.
तो ये क्या है cerebellar
Yes.
peduncles? There are 3 pairs of myelinated nerve bundles present. Myelin
Okay.
sheath on the axon, you remember that?
Yes.
उस तरह के
Myelin
nerve
sheath.
bundles, 3 pairs of them. They are present over here. So they connect the cerebellum to other parts of the CNS.
Oh, cerebellum. To other
Cerebellum
parts of
से
the
other
CNS.
parts of the CNS, that is brain and the spinal.
Central nervous system. Yes.
तो इसका क्या function
Yes.
है? Maintaining equilibrium, body का equilibrium, the posture, balance. It's like imagine a situation when you are walking or even
Yes.
standing at a place. So you are balanced.
Yes.
ऐसे खड़े खड़े ऐसे ही गिर जाती है क्या? नहीं.
Wow.
Because this is being controlled. Okay. Voluntary movements are moderated. Regular. Muscle tone ka maintenance. Okay.
Okay.
Then at the same time, it
Yes.
also controls rapid activities like walking. When
The
you are
activity is like
walking, it's like when you are walking,
running.
you walk with some speed. Purposely,
Yes.
you won't walk very slow or very fast. There is a certain
Yes.
pace at which you walk. वो maintain करते हैं. Same way
Yes.
for running, even for speaking.
Yes,
ये
sir.
सब maintain किया जाते हैं. ठीक है?
Okay, got it.
That is about the
Yes.
cerebellum. Any doubt?
No doubt.
Okay. Coming to the last part of the hind brain and last part of the brain, that is the medulla oblongata.
Get up.
This is the last part, and यही continue होता है spinal cord बनते.
Correct.
So in this medulla
Oh,
oblongata
spinal cord
now,
बचा है.
हाँ, वो easy है spinal cord. See, medulla
Yes.
oblongata is the end part. ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे क्या
Yes.
होगा? cerebellum में हमने देखा कि ग्रे मैटर अंदर जा रहा है, व्हाइट मैटर बाहर आ रहा है, ट्रांसिशन.
White matter बाहर आ रहा है.
Now in the
Yes.
medulla oblongata, completely white matter is
Arbor
outside, gray matter is inside.
अरे sir, why?
Why नहीं? ऐसा है अभी, ठीक है? You and me
Okay.
both are having like this. तो ऊपर cerebrum से start कैसे करना है? Gray matter outside, white matter inside.
Yes.
Up to the cerebrum, almost it is like that.
Okay.
Cerebellum, उसमें क्या हो रहा है? Transition. Gray अंदर जा रहा है, white बाहर आ रहा है.
White
That's
बाहर आ
why
रहा है.
it gives rise to arbor vitae.
Arbor vitae.
Medulla oblongata में totally white matter outside, gray matter inside.
Okay.
And इसी
Back
तरह
to normal.
का पैटर्न spinal cord में भी रहेगा. White outside, gray inside. Is
So
it clear?
got it.
ठीक है?
Clear.
Now this medulla oblongata, ये neck में जो पीछे वाला part है ना, which you can
Yes.
feel, यहीं पर medulla oblongata. इसलिए कभी-कभी
Oh,
इसको
I can
छोटा,
see medulla oblongata.
यहाँ पे. It is not given that protection of the skull. यहाँ पे सबसे छोटा है, बारीक है.
Oh, yes.
That
Yes.
is why this medulla oblongata, इसको छोटा मेंदू करके लोग बोलते हैं normally, कि यहाँ पर अगर physical injury हुआ, it can lead to instant death of the person. Okay, because यहाँ पे बहुत important involuntary vital centers are located.
इसलिए उधर अटैक
Like
करता है.
heartbeat, respiration. Okay, vasomotor मतलब blood vessels का constriction and dilation, and even
Yes.
peristalsis. ये सबके centers यहाँ located है. So imagine
no.
heartbeat का center. Similarly, Non-vital
ugh,
reflex activities are also controlled over here. जैसे coughing, sneezing, swallowing, vomiting, yawning, ये सब है
Thus,
medulla में.
okay, got it.
So next time whenever you are
Oh,
yawning
ये medulla oblongata का task होता है.
during the lecture, you do this, right? Yawning, है ना? So while
It's
eating,
not
you
my
do the
fault.
swallowing. No,
It's
it's not your
fault.
fault. It is being stimulated by something. Getting it? And then the
Yes.
fourth ventricle जो हमने बोला था, metacele,
Metacele.
that is present in this
Oh, yeah,
medulla
it comes
oblongata.
below the
Yes.
T
So
for diaphragm.
the fourth ventricle or metacele is located in this medulla oblongata.
Okay, got
And
it.
medulla oblongata का जो roof है, that has got posterior choroid plexus. पहले हमने
Yes,
देखा था
posterior.
anterior choroid
Yes.
plexus. ये posterior,
हाँ.
दोनों बनाता है CSF.
Oh, anterior, posterior. Yes, correct.
ठीक है? Now this posterior choroid plexus has got 3 openings.
Oh no. Okay.
2 of them are called foramen of Luschka. Okay, 2 of them are called foramen of Mushka, and in the center there is something called foramen of Magendie.
Magendie. Okay.
So 3 openings
Luschka,
from the
Magendie.
3
And that
openings
was
from the
Mornay.
Monroe.
Monroe.
Foramen of Monroe. Okay.
Yes.
ये है 3 openings from the posterior choroid plexus. 2 of them are called as foramen of Luschka. See the spelling. And one median one is called foramen of Magendie.
Magendie. Monroe.
Here,
Got it.
with that,
Clear.
we have completed the discussion on the most important part of the body, that is the human brain. Any
Yes.
doubt? Detali.
No doubt.
Okay? The most
I'll read
important
everything
part
and then
of
ask
the
you.
central nervous system. Yes, you have to go through it. There are too
Yes.
many parts. सबके नाम लिख लिख के practice कर. Only then you'll remember.
Diagram.
Or you can make a
Practice
table, the part, location, function.
Oh, good idea.
You can make
Yes,
a
I
table,
do that.
so it will be easy for you to learn and remember. This you have to do even for the human heart that we studied, even for parts of the
For the whole
respiratory
chapter.
system and this
Yes.
nervous system. Human physiology का जब करते हैं ना, तो इस तरह से table बना के करना. That will always help a lot.
Will be location,
The part, location, function.
function. Okay, great.
And you can include one more column for the structure also.
Structure, drawing.
In short, the description.
Ah, yes.
Swelling है, depression है, global है, spherical है, whatever. And एक और column, number.
Ah,
How many of them? That is also
that will
important.
be your side. Yes, correct.
है ना?
Okay.
Yes, do
Yes.
that. Make that table, send it to me. ठीक है? Any
Okay.
doubt in the first part of the CNS?
अभी तक नहीं है.
Okay? जो समझाया वो
Yes.
समझा अच्छे से, बाद में रीड करना ही है, लर्न करना ही है.
Yes.
ठीक है? Let's go to the second part.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. ठीक है? If you recollect kingdom Animalia, between non-chordates and chordates, we had discussed something called notochord and nerve cord. याद है?
Oh, notochord, nerve cord. Yes, I know.
Non-chordates do not have them. Chordates have it.
Have
So
them.
जो nerve
Yes.
cord है in the animal kingdom, उसका सबसे highest developed version or evolved version is our spinal cord.
Spinal cord. Yes.
So we have discussed in the beginning also, I told that at the back from the neck to the tail region, we have the
yes.
complete vertebral column,
I have it.
the backbone.
Yeah. Okay.
And inside that there is a canal. Inside all the vertebral
Yes,
bones, there is a canal
There is a
called the
canal.
neural canal.
Yes.
Neural canal के अंदर पूरा
Spinal cord. Yes.
So spinal cord is nothing but a continuation of the brain, bundle of the nerves. So externally जो 3 meninges हमने brain का देखा था, dura mater, arachnoid and pia mater. Those same 3 meninges will be even there for the spinal cord.
Okay.
Okay. And medulla oblongata में क्या देखा? white matter outside, gray matter inside.
Inside.
Since
Yes.
this is a continuation from the medulla, this also will show the same structure.
Yes.
ठीक है, तो ये दोनों पॉइंट्स तो हो गया फिक्स.
Mm-hmm.
स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को प्रोटेक्शन किस चीज का मिला है? वर्टिब्रल बोन्स
Hmm.
and the 3 meninges,
Yes.
and these also have the same ventricles passing through जिसमें CSF पास होता है. So this diagram you
Yes.
can see. Okay, we'll come to that diagram. Before that कि CSF जो यहाँ पर भी है, okay, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को कुशनिंग इफेक्ट दे रहे हैं, न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. Externally, so first of all, the length of the spinal cord is around 42 to
Yes.
45 centimeter, and the breadth is around 2 to 2.5 centimeter.
Okay, got it.
It is almost
Yes.
having a conical appearance. के ऊपर सबसे broad है, नीचे आते आते नैरो होता जाता है.
Oh.
Towards
Oh,
the tail region. Towards the
Yes,
tail
I have a tail.
region. Wow.
Yes.
Towards the tail region, it just tapers into a cone-like structure.
Huh.
उसको बोलते हैं conus medullaris.
Easy. Okay, got it.
Got it? The tail
Yes.
region of the spinal cord, which becomes a cone-like structure.
Yes.
Okay, and I'll show you this way. Yeah. See.
Hmm.
Yeah. If the spinal cord is a cone-like structure like this, okay, तो ऊपर
Yes.
देखना broad है, cylindrical.
Yes.
तो ये neck region में रहेगा, नीचे आते आते tail region में narrow down. So it
हाँ.
ends into a cone-like structure like this. तो इसको हमने
हाँ.
बोला conus medullaris.
Conus medullaris.
Okay,
Medullaris.
and then this further continues down into thread-like
no.
structure इस तरह से.
Okay.
उसको बोलेंगे filum terminale.
We have this.
Yep. ठीक है.
Yes. Okay.
L1 to L2 करके बोले lumbar region. लंबार का
One-
मतलब है
L1 to
abdominal.
L2.
लंबार रीजन, लंबार का मतलब है एब्डोमिनल रीजन, पीछे.
Oh, okay. Yes.
ओके, तो वहां पर कोनस मेडुलारिस है. एंड
Okay.
उसके नीचे टिल द टेल रीजन यू हैव थ्रेड लाइक फिलम टर्मिनाले.
Okay, got it.
गॉट इट?
Yes.
ठीक है. तो ये एक्सटर्नल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड.
Mm-hmm.
नाउ ये जो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड का जो एंड पोर्शन है, जो हमने अभी बोला फिलम टर्मिनाले, द थ्रेड लाइक रीजन, this
हाँ.
appears like the tail of a horse.
Tail of a
Horse, घोड़े के पूंछ की तरह दिखते हैं. That's the reason it is also called cauda equina.
sir. What Coda equina?
Cauda
Yes.
equina.
Okay.
Equina
Coda
मतलब
equina
horse.
is
Yeah, the
cord.
end portion of the spinal cord which appears like the tail of a horse.
Yes.
Okay, इसलिए उसको cauda equina करके भी बोलते हैं, because equus
Cauda
का मतलब है
equina.
horse.
Okay.
Equus मतलब horse. Cauda मतलब tail. So cauda equina.
Okay.
That's how the
Okay,
word is
got it.
come. Got it?
Yes.
Clear with
Yes.
this? Okay.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Got it.
So ये external structure of the spinal cord we have understood. 3 words: conus medullaris, filum terminale, and cauda equina.
Okay, got it.
3
Got
words
it.
you have
Got
to
it.
remember. ठीक है.
Yes.
Now let us see inside the spinal cord.
Yes. Of
Yes.
spinal cord.
Just a second. Some energy booster. Okay.
Mm.
Now
Yes.
the spinal cord is a cylindrical structure we have seen.
Yes.
So now suppose if I take a section and look inside,
How would you do that? Okay, fine.
because I have to see the
Okay.
internal structure. Okay.
Okay.
So it
Yeah.
will look somewhat like this. So there is one anterior portion and there is a posterior portion. See, the spinal cord is running along the back of your body.
Correct.
So back side mein, that part, one part of the spinal cord will be towards the front, one part will be towards the back.
Correct.
So the
Yes.
one towards the
Oh.
front will be the anterior, and spinal cord का पीछे का part है posterior.
Correct.
Got it? So overall, it will
Yes.
have this shape, somewhat spherical to oval type.
Hmm.
Okay, and posterior and anterior दोनों side में there is a fissure, you can see. इसलिए इसका
There
नाम
is
है
a
anterior median fissure and posterior
fissure.
median fissure.
What is
Fissure
the
मतलब
fissure?
kind of a depression, जैसे वो sulci हमने बोला था वहाँ पे.
अच्छा वैसा. Okay.
Somewhat like that. So you can see it is
Okay.
dividing the spinal cord into almost two halves.
Yes.
दोनों fissures के बीच में, in the geometric center of the spinal cord, there is something called central canal. Can you see
Central
that?
canal.
In the geometric center of the spinal cord, can you see a central canal?
Yes. That is the
There is a
spinal.
hollow cavity. उस
Oh.
central canal के अंदर है CSF, cerebrospinal fluid.
Fluid. Yes.
Getting it? Okay. Now you can see this butterfly shaped structure.
Yes.
जो butterfly shaped structure है, that is the gray matter.
Oh, gray matter अंदर और.
Yes. और ये बाकी का बाहर का white matter देखिए. So white
Oh,
matter
बाकी वो same
outside, gray matter
Yes.
inside.
Inside. Wow.
Got
Okay.
it?
Correct.
Now this
Yes.
gray matter, this
Hmm.
gray matter on the dorsal side as well as the ventral side comes out in the form of nerves.
Oh.
तो उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे dorsal root, ventral root. Okay.
Dorsal root, ventral root.
जो
Yes.
एक दोनों साइड में रहेगा. स्पाइनल कॉर्ड सेंटर में है तो राइट
Okay.
साइड में भी जा रहा है, लेफ्ट साइड में भी जा रहा है.
Left side में जा रहा है.
Two
Yes. Correct.
dorsal roots, two ventral roots. Got
Two
it?
ventral roots. Okay. Got it. Got it.
So
Yes.
that part of the gray matter which is giving rise to the ventral root is called the ventral horn, and that part of the gray matter which gives rise
Dorsal
to the
horn,
dorsal
ventral horn.
root is called dorsal horn. Easy?
Yes. Got it.
तो दोनों साइड से एक एक हॉर्न, एक एक रूट निकल रहा है. ठीक है. So this
Yes.
dorsal root and the ventral root comes out and they give rise to something called as a spinal nerve.
Spinal nerve.
That is a part of the PNS, peripheral nervous system, which you are going to learn. I'll show you that diagram directly. You can take a look.
Okay. Show me. Show me. Show me.
टेक्स्टबुक में आगे के पेज में देखना. I'm just trying to scroll down. Peripheral nervous system, spinal nerve. Check that.
Oh. Spinal
that?
nerve. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You saw how these two dorsal root and the ventral root they give rise to the spinal nerve. दोनों से
Yes.
निकल के
Yes.
बाहर.
Yes. Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
So we will talk about the spinal cord, spinal nerve later. But spinal cord का section समझा?
Yes. समझा.
Properly.
Properly.
Okay. और ये जो central canal है, which contains the CSF, उसके lining में there are cells present called ependyma.
Ependyma. What does it do?
They produce the CSF.
Oh.
Got
Okay.
it?
Oh. Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
And ये जो spinal cord के अंदर का gray matter है, here this contains something called association neurons. Remember the three types of neurons?
Yes.
Sensory, association,
Motor and association. Yes.
So, association neuron यहाँ gray matter में present है in the spinal cord. Hello, Supriya, am I audible? है ना? The fan पे one number था.
एक अच्छा था, चलेगा नहीं तो मैं हाथ में ले
मेरे मेरा साइड से कुछ अटक गया लग रहा है, जूम थोड़ा सा हैंग हो रहा है। फैन बंद करते
एक करोड़ पका था ना, तो दूसरा कलर होगा। तो दोनों एक बार बटन चेंज करना पड़ेगा, वो फिर एग्जॉस्ट चेंज करके वायर डाल देगा बस। वायर को मैं सोचा है अपने पास नीचे पट्टी है, इधर अंदर वाइट पट्टी है, ऐसा वाला पट्टी है, एक्स्ट्रा है, उसको बाहर से फ्लिप करके अच्छा डाल परमानेंट हो जाए। तो उसको दिखाएगा जो कितना वायर मिलता लाएगा ना। तो आपका किचन का काम वो आ जाएगा तो अच्छा है ना, उसका सब एक साथ अगर जो होएगा ना। और बाथरूम में साइड पे व्हाइट सीमेंट डालने को आएगा, अभी नहीं मालूम उसका। वो नीचे पवार के घर में काम चालू है, होने के बाद